For this part, you install Ubuntu desktop in your virtual box. So to do that, just click on the link, and then you want to click in download here, and it's going to start your download. If it doesn't start, just go ahead and click in download now. But I've done that, so mine is right here. So the next step after you download, you just open your VirtualBox, go to New, name as PLC, change the type to Linux and the version to Ubuntu, which should be at the bottom 64. Then click Next. Leave as the default everything. So next, next, and next. And then after you create your PLC, now we have to install Ubuntu inside of the PLC VM. And to do that, click in Settings, make sure PLC is highlighted, and click in Settings, and then go to Storage. Right here below Controller IDE, go to Empty, and on this DVD disk here, you choose disk file, and then go to downloads and try to locate where you put your download. So click and open, and then OK, and then you can start your VM. This part right now, you just have to follow instructions. So start,